Swargadeo Sunungmung, also known as Suhungmung Dihingya Raja, was the second king of the Ahom kingdom in present-day Assam, India. He ruled from 1497 to 1539. Here are some key points about his life and achievements. Reign and expansion. Suhungmung's reign marked a period of expansion and consolidation for the Ahom kingdom. He continued the work of his predecessor, Sukhafa, by extending Ahom rule over various regions in Assam. Military conquests. Suhungmung led successful military campaigns to conquer territories and establish Ahom dominance. He is known for his campaigns against neighboring tribes, such as the Shudias, and the Kashari kingdom. Administrative reforms. Suhungmung implemented administrative reforms that helped strengthen the Ahom kingdom's governance. He established a centralized administrative system, introduced land revenue policies, and enhanced the structure of the royal court. Infrastructure development. Under Suhungmung's rule, infrastructure development projects were undertaken, including the construction of roads and water management systems. These initiatives contributed to the kingdom's growth and prosperity. Cultural patronage. Suhungmung was a patron of culture and arts. He supported the growth of Assamese literature, language, and traditions. During his reign, the Vaishnavite movement led by the saint reformer Srimanta Sankardeva gained momentum. Legacy. Suhungmung's reign is considered a period of consolidation and growth for the Ahom kingdom. His efforts laid the foundation for the kingdom's stability and prominence in the region.